I'm going to create a cold ad for cold audience. And this is how you do it. Pwede nyo gamitin lahat ang objective na nandito. But then, for cold audiences, I suggest you use either traffic, engagement, reach, brand awareness, or video views. And in this instance, ang gagamitin natin is engagement. Basically, itong ad account na to doesn't have any audience yet. Wala pa siya as in nothing. So, wala pa tong i-retarget. It's the only time, the first time, nagagawa ito ng ad. So, we're going to target everyone. At kung sino yung magiging interested dun sa ads na yun, siya yung i-retarget natin later on. And those are who we call the warm audiences. Okay, so let's click engagement and I'm going to name this a demo engagement. And I will copy it. Okay, so campaign budget optimization is if you are planning to create 3 or more ad sets, 2 or 3 more ad sets to test. And normally, ginagawa yan when you are trying to test different audiences, different locations, different creatives, different ad copies, headline, and landing pages, and so on and so forth. But it's not what we are going to do today. We are going to create a cold campaign to find our possible or potential clients or potential customers, no? So, I'm only going to create one campaign, kaya hindi ako gagamit ng CBO because I'm not testing anything. I'm just going to put the budget on the ad set. So, I will just set up this account kasi bago po ito. And then I will choose Philippines over here and then continue. Alright. Now, ika-copy paste natin yung name. But, normally, ang ginagawa ko dito, nilalagay ko dito sa mismong ad set name yung pangalan ng audience. Para alam ko, kasi dito natin i-create yung audience natin sa ad set level. So, para alam ko anong audience ginamit ko. But since isang audience lang naman to, and I'm going to use Carpet Bomb, which originated from Teambird. Carpet Bomb is just throwing the bomb into the carpet at kahit sino yung tamaan. So, kung sino yung mag-react, sino yung mag-engage, yun yung i-retarget natin later on. That's the Carpet Bomb method. So, basically, wala itong audience. Walang interest-based, walang detailed targeting, walang custom audience, walang LAA. It's just anyone, anybody. Pero you can change the location, pero walang interest, okay? So I'm going to just change it to I'm just going to change it to Philippines. And there you go. Now, we're gonna go down here. Hindi ko napapalitan to because ang gagawin ko ng ad dito is a general merchandise like fruits, no? Para sa fruit store. So anyone could be interested, anybody can be a potential client. So I'll just leave it like that and then go down. And of course, yung placement. Since this is a general merchandise, pwede nating i-try gamitin yung marketplace, no? But over here, ayaw niya. So, naka-stealth siya. So, hindi natin siya magagamit. And of course, as always, Facebook newsfeed is the best placement for our ads. So, tatanggalin natin yung iba. But you can also try testing these placements kasi baka sa klase po ng inyong business mag-work ito, no? So you can do that. And since we have a very broad audience, it says here that I can reach about 360 to 1,000 people to engage in this ad per day. But of course, it still depends on our budget, as always. And every time I tell this, and every time I have encountered this portion, I always tell you na yung laki o lawak ng audience natin is dependent on our budget. Okay? At kapag yung budget mo maliit, hindi makaalis sa learning phase yung ating ads kasi hindi kaya ng budget niya, no? Hindi niya ma-stabilize, walang movement. If that happens to you, dagdagan niyo lang po yung anyong uh, budget or magbawas kayo ng audience. Let's say, for example, kung 3% LLA or LAA, put it into 1%, or if you are mixing audiences, gumamit lang kayo ng isang audience. So, over here, naglalagay tayo ng budget. Mababawasan pa to kasi I will just put 200 pesos. So, naging 164, like half ang nawala, no? And then, I will run the ad continuously kasi gusto kong makita if the ad is not performing well, I'm going to stop the ad. But if the ad is working well, then I will apply a rule or just add a budget, no? Para i-scale up natin siya. Adding a budget is called vertical scaling, okay? Now we will hit continue. And ilalagay na naman natin yung ating name dito. And carpet bomb, if you want to, but you can have your own name, yung madidistinguish nyo yung mga ads ninyo from the rest of your ads, no? And then, let's say for example, ito, vintage. Ayan. And then, gagawa tayo ng ad. We will click create ad. Mag-add tayo ng image over here. So, mag-upload tayo ng image. And this is my code image. So, dapat po, sa code ad, iba yung image nyo. Cold lang siya, hindi masyadong agresibo. And then yung second ad nyo, which is warm campaign, medyo may pitch na kayo doon. And yung third ad, which is the hot campaign, yun yung dapat mas agresibo na kayo. And you are showing offers na. Okay? So let's hit continue. Let's say, for example, okay, so the first thing that we need to do is think of a very appealing headline. No? Kailangan malakas yung hatak niya. And most of the time, ang headline na mabilis tumatak sa isip ng tao, mabilis ma-absorb, is composed of 12 words below. And the best ones, the best headlines has only 5 words. No? So, let's try to keep our headline on that edge na 12 words below lang. Okay. So maybe we can just write as a headline, pwede nating ilagay na the most convenient way to bring fruits to the table. Or maybe you can think of a better one, but I suggest keep it 12 words below yung headline po natin. Siguro maganda, dagdagan din natin ang fruit emoji, yung colorful, maybe apple. Okay. And then, the body. So, sa body naman po, as long as it complies with Facebook ads policy, hmm, normally hindi naman 'to mahirap i-Facebook ads 'no, yung mga pagkain, except those merchandise that, go against the Facebook ads policy. Pero ito, normally ang challenge lang dito is the competition kasi it's a general merchandise. But the way to cut through the competition is, create your best offer, make your creative really very appealing, and, of course, the ad copy, and the delivery at saka yung targeting. Okay? So, it's one of the ways to cut through the competition. Kailangan yung delivery mo, yung headline, and the creatives, they are all getting through. Mapapaibabaw siya dun sa mga competition mo, yung mga katulad mo rin, ang niche. And also, sa budget. If your competition is fighting to a specific audience and they are all putting the same budget, well, put your budget a little bit higher. That's how you surpass your competition. Basically, itong mga pagkain, hindi naman niya kailangan talagang masyadong i-elaborate because people know what it can do to them and the benefits overall. So, mas madalas, ang kailangan mo ditong uh, ilagay sa ad other than the benefits is the convenience of how they're going to get it or your offers, the discounts, and all sorts of promotions. And what you can do is spy on your competitors' ads para makita mo ano yung mas magandang magagawa mo sa ad copy mo at saka sa buong ad mo as a whole. So, let's say for example, ilagay natin dito na um, we have the best source of fruits in the country that are 100% organic produce by local farmers because we love our family, we give them the best. This is one of them. For more details, please go to yourfavoritefruit.com or fruit.com, o kaya naman po pwede niyong ilagay yung phone number niyo like 090512345679 or pwedeng hit as a message. So that is one of the ways. And you can also create a video out of it, like you are picking the fruits from straight from the trees or from the plants or from the backyard, whatever. All together with your family, you're eating the fruits on the table, something like that. So another thing is, of course, make your creatives very appealing, minimal, and keep the 20% text on image lang, no? So, para pumasa tayo kay Facebook. And then, of course, yung button, either get code, learn more, send message, whatever, shop now. Let's choose shop now. And then, yung pixel, wag kakalimutan. So, this one is very new. So, wala pa tayong pixel at wala pa tong website. But the best is always have a website dahil kailangan po natin yung wonder na magagawa ng pixel. So, just confirm and let it roll. So that's one way of creating a cold campaign for your cold audience. And then later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo on how to retarget the people that engage to that post or to that ad, okay? And those people are cold warm audiences. So next video, we're going to create a warm campaign. That's it, and I'll see you next video.